welcome to DIY CP. So my goals for this year is to try and make this YouTube channel work. So my goals are to release a video every week, all to do with DIY. I'd love it if you can come and join me, smash that subscribe button and we can go on a journey together and we can make lots of stuff. So just to give you a little tour, this is where everything happens. This is the workshop. So I'm fairly new to this. We've been going for about 3 months now. I've been a little bit sloppy on my videos, but I'm going to make a dedication to myself to try and get one a week out for you guys. So it could be absolutely anything to do with just make stuff. Just make stuff. Things lying around. Just get in there, make stuff, save a bit of money here and there, which I'm sure everyone would like to save a bit of money here and there. So thank you very much for watching, and like I say, do hit that subscribe button and come and follow us in 2021. So take care everyone, and I'll see you soon.